Hello, today I want to talk about this lapel mic that I got that is connected to my iPhone right now, and basically this is to get better audio. This here is about $4 on Amazon, and it's kind of nice that you can actually go through and you hear these trucks going by, these cars going by, and hopefully, being that I'm almost pretty close to my mouth right here, the microphone, my phone's way over here, so I can even step back a bit. And if I want to kind of hide the lapel mic, I can sort of do that a little bit more, maybe kind of hide it. But a lot of times if you're doing interviews, people expect to see lapel mics. So if you're doing a podcast or being a vlogger, you can get some really good audio and kind of like move around a little bit as well, like this. So for a couple of dollars, $4, under $5, you have a nice little lapel mic. And it actually comes with a little case as well. And the lapel mic has, of course, these little something to hold on to, a tie or a shirt. It has a little windscreen on it. And I think it works pretty well. And so this is something you can carry around in your pocket if you're going to be vlogging and whatnot like that. So I would say that this would get you some better audio. And this particular one as well, I don't think you can see this, but it actually has a place that you can hook your headphones in as well. So it works out all together. I have people waving at me right now. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute, uses a lapel mic. It's always fantastic. Yeah.